Hey everyone, I'm going to show you what to do if your Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So the first thing you should do is you can go to the top right corner in the settings, and in the settings you can go to the network and internet settings. Right here you can turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. After turning it on, you should check if it is still doing turning off or turning on. It should fix the issue. If it still persists, you should turn off your TCL Smart TV and you should unplug it from the back of the wall, and then there's a button on the TCL right below the logo here. You should press it for 30 seconds right here. So after pressing it for 30 seconds, turn your screen back on and check if the issue is resolved. This should resolve your issue, hopefully. So I hope this resolved your issue. Thank you so much for watching.